Hello, how are you today? This is Nurse Priscilla, and I'm going to be using baking soda today to tell y'all how to help with your bladder infection if you were to start getting a bladder infection. And of course, most people know about baking soda and mixing it with water, adding some ice cubes, and to drink that for indigestion. And that will neutralize the acidity in your stomach, and it will help you belch up the indigestion and the uncomfortable feeling that you have in your stomach. But what we're going to talk about is bladder infections. Since most people know about baking soda, there it is, baking soda for your indigestion. That's pretty common. But a lot of people don't know about baking soda and bladder infection. But if you tell that you have a bladder infection coming on, and women have bladder infections more than men. Sometimes men will have a bladder infection, but women are more prone to men. So you would get a teaspoon of baking soda. You just get your spoon in there, get your teaspoon out, and you put it in a cup of water and stir it around, get it dissolved good. And if you don't want to drink it just lukewarm, add some ice cubes and drink a cup of water about this size. And give it time, and that will also neutralize the acidity that's in your kidneys and that's in your bladder. So, and that will cure up your bladder infection in nothing flat. So I recommend that. And with anything else, so your bladder infection's at the point to where you're having fever, chills, then it's already gone too long. So then you're going to have to seek some antibiotic. And the way to get good antibiotic is from your doctor. But you can tell if your bladder infection starts traveling up your ureters into your kidneys, because your back is going to hurt on one side or the other. Then for sure you want to get this cured before it gets up in your kidneys. So that is a good preventative for a serious bladder infection, and that can just take care of the beginnings of a bladder infection to totally get rid of it and before it does get bad. So that's my good home remedy and natural medical tip for bladder infection. So you have a good day. I'll be back with some more home remedies for you. And if as always, if you know someone that would benefit from these, just tell them about my channel and subscribe to my channel, and you'll learn a lot about different home remedies. So thank you. Have a good day.